Yep. Now 3 more. But should I wait for this person to go by?
What person?
Or should I just do it?
No, wait till they go by.
I'll chuck one down there. I know. But should I just do it quick?
No, there's people coming with babies, shit like that.
Oh. Never gonna get it done.
No one sees four.
No, I've still got loads.
How loads?
I've still got a packet of them. Look a big roll.
Each night? Did you have a few in here?
Yep.
But we'll wait till these ones get by.
Just chuck one all the way down there.
No, just wait till these couple goes by.
Oh, there's even more people coming there.
We'll walk down a bit towards these men and then take them.
Can't. Wait. Firework. Got 2 more.
I thought you were doing the 3 at one time.
No, I've done 3 at the start and then 1 at a time now.
Two now.
I am. I'm going to chuck it really far.
You need to wait.
Blow up this taxi. Mum.
Wait.
Yeah, but if it was free, you would have heard them all. Should I go now?
No. Where have you got to?
Yeah.
Wait, taxi. Car. And another one. Right.
And another one. And another one. Oh,
See,
scooters.
you could have this done by now.
Oh, it's fine. Morning. Should I do it now?
No, you wait till people walk away.
Why can't I do it
Just
when...
there. Is that 2 of them?
Yep.